taste.
Right, yes.
Dono muni siwombongi toka. Mai kida chuna matagani ko ni keli diri toka ndona baravi ni andra ni matavinaka Eleanor.
Vinaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this fine morning. It's a Friday.
Yeah.
Hey, a lot of party happening this weekend, I heard.
Yeah.
Yes, muga sarra sa garabiti ko nanonra party di daka kausaba ni nibentan bikim ni katsarra be kan ni kerito ko na kana marito ko nan bulay na mataga na ni kuwa.
Right.
I say hello and bula binaka to everyone tuning in from overseas. Yes, NACA program, and if you are there to study,
Yeah.
or if you're going there for medical purpose.
All right. Terus nanti buat saya lagi suka nonton time.
Right.
We'll start now. We say to all the friends tuning from overseas, the Fijian diaspora, and to all the locals tuning this morning, to all the staff of the hotel industry.
Right.
Terus baru suka bikin ni nama tadi. Okay. Don't I tell no Eleanor about suka sen don't I tuku. Wanita ngomong na 7 rules for men.
Okay.
And the number 1 is about you.
Oh,
ladies. Okay.
Yes.
Never trust anyone completely.
Yes.
Especially a crying woman. Why? Sa tukuri singo, weekend na naturanga. Meta trust kira na vi nadamugori. Ada tamata tambusa kani. Wa bimbi endona marama sindona ngonele wa tangi. Betul tak?
Why do you actually do it for us? Because we know when men will see us cry, you will feel sorry for us and you will do as we say.
Okay, another rule for men go. Okay, don't introduce your partner to family and friends until the relationship is solid. Iko ba dinates?
Yeah, baleta. Yes, we women, we take things seriously.
Iyo, di na.
If you just first date, second date, you tell us, come, we go.
Where?
We go to my mom. My mom wants to meet you. I want you to meet my mom.
Yeah.
That's when the woman will take everything seriously.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you think you can go here or there,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I've already stepped foot on your doorstep.
Okay.
Au sarai vineo ti, au sakilai neo.
Bukan dua. All right. Gave beko fatangan samber.
Bera.
All right.
Kuning gitu.
Kuning gitu, boy. Now, okay. All right. Well, it's about, okay. This one is facts about women.
Okay.
Okay, is it okay? Okay, bentar, okay. A woman's heart is 4 times softer
Yes.
than a man's heart.
Yes.
Right? Tell us more.
We have a very soft heart.
Yeah.
Because that is how we are built.
Yeah.
We can love.
Okay.
But men, they don't have a soft heart.
Hold on.
They have a very hard heart. That's why they cheat.
Hey! Okay.
That's why they play around.
Yeah. Okay. So na ngayon, dorong so na bibala, sen bibala, do tunu bali wona sa tukunona. Donde teman-teman kita ngonong ko remove tablang manduan daripada.
Yeah.
Is that soft?
No, that is
Soft love.
yes, that's soft love. Waraday pa.
Things we don't know about women. Okay.
Right.
A woman's sense of touch is stronger than a man's.
Right.
Is it true?
Yeah, malati kami malumo.
Okay.
Kami malumo, kami ni kokoa.
Okay, one now.
Right.
When a woman cries, a small vein
Right.
in her heart is affected.
Oh, yes.
Wait.
Yeah, that's how we are. That's
Yeah.
how we are built. So please, men,
Yeah.
you don't have to hurt us. Don't make us cry.
Right.
Because it will you are only seeing the tears.
Think of that vein in the heart.
Yes, think of the veins and the muscles inside the body
Yeah.
of that woman that you are making her cry.
Facts about women this
It
morning.
affects her
Ladies and
internally.
gentlemen, women have a stronger immune response compared to men.
Oh, smaller what? Immune
Iyo.
response. Stronger
Yeah.
immune response.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, Amanda.
Uh-uh.
Okay, women blink nearly twice as often as men. Balatan na tayo. Dito susor weekend bagaliw.
Because we there's like the longer period of
Too
time.
much dust in the eyes.
Maybe because of the eyelashes. No, because men sleep a lot. We don't sleep a lot.
Oh,
that's
that's why
why
you blink.
yes, that's why we blink like this every now and then. Because wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, make breakfast, go to work.
Okay, maybe you spend too much time at night doing going through the Facebook account.
No,
Eh?
that's what men
And then in the
does.
morning you want to rest your eyelid. Too much sa sorry ba? Okay. women have more brain cells than men. Hey.
Yes, yes. I absolutely agree with that. We have more brain cells. We are. It simply means that we are more smarter, mature than men. Eh? Yes.
Women have a better sense of smell than men.
Yes.
Why?
Yes, we have a stronger sense of smell. We can smell something a mile away. We can smell liars. We can smell cheaters a mile away. Right. Right. Not only externally, but also internally.
Okay.
Right.
Rules for men.
Right. What are the rules?
Keep your secrets and financial status private. Others might misuse them, especially the ladies.
Oh no! That is not fair.
Right?
Men and women, when you are married, you have become one. So whatever belongs to the man now also belongs to the woman.
Okay.
Yes. You shouldn't keep things private. You should share with your wife. Your wife is your financial, because we have a lot of brain cells. Like you have mentioned. You don't have any brain cells. Yes.
Okay. Last question this morning. Should the bank card of the fathers or the men be with the ladies?
Yes. Why? We should keep the bank card.
But the father is working.
Yes, never mind. You work as hard as you can. But the bank card, you leave it with mom.
How many bags of grog should the dad have 1 week?
Only 4 bags one night.
Oi!
Yes.
For the 7 days?
Yes.
So 28 bags altogether?
No, don't drink grog every night.
Yeah?
That's when the woman will...
So sorry, too much in the
yes, will not want to look at you.
Benar malam sarap ito kanin bagat masinga ano benar kami chesi sobat tembua Bank of Baroda Suba bagat benar kami punya bengaravi ano matali kuah bulu benar kami Mariko chesi Ilaisa ke Mitieli.
Do yan benar balik benar sampel memang matali kuah nami kita tale and moniti mayango.
Ne mani kumbu my Queensland Australia.
Oh, boleh benar arna yandra LM6